Collectors, you better get ready. The Air Jordan 1 trophy rooms are about to be released, and here's everything that you need to know. Guys, if you want to learn how to stop taking L's today, you better listen to the words from our sponsor, XenonSNKRS. XenonSNKRS is one of the best automated bots for beginners for those Nike sneaker releases. Featuring early link access and site support, it'll blaze fast manual users. There's even a built-in timer to help you automatically cop those kicks while you sleep. If you're new at sneaker botting, XenonSNKRS is built with the beginners in mind by having an easy to use interface. They will be restocking on the 9th of February 2021, so make sure to go and check them out. I'll have their links in the description below. Sign up for their service. It's a quick and easy one-time fee. So without further ado, let's get back into the video. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the Air Jordan 1 trophy rooms are probably going to be the biggest sneaker release that we're going to be seeing in 2021, and for good reason, because the sneaker pays homage to the freeze out, the original 1985 All-Stars game, where basically all of Michael Jordan's teammates conspired to keep the ball away from him during that game. And obviously those were just all rumors and everything, but then I think throughout the game MJ caught on what was happening, and he decided to take the ball for himself and do what he does best with the basketball. So this sneaker pays homage to that iconic event in MJ's career, and that's why this is more directed to more collectors of the Nike Air Jordan 1s, and you know, people who just love the history of Michael Jordan. Obviously this sneaker is a reimagined model of the original Nike Air Jordan 1 Chicago's, the sneakers that MJ did wear on court that game. But the thing is, I do love how they added some extra detailing with the sneaker, you know, adding like a crystallized glittery overlays to the red panels of the sneaker, whilst keeping like a sail midsole, translucent outsoles with the red and blue stars, and you know, just white tumbled leather. It just honestly makes for such a premium look to such an OG colorway, and it's something that I'm a huge fan of, because it's not just, you know, another colorway of the Air Jordan 1 Chicago. There's more sort of the pizzazz to it. There's sort of like some character with all the glitter, with all the translucent soles, and of course the sail midsole ties it all together and sort of gives it more of that vintage vibe that everybody is looking for. So all in all, I'm super excited for this sneaker to release. There's a rumored 12,000 pairs, but honestly, looking at how many people have been cooking this release, like, you know, with the pre-release pairs, because these sneakers will be dropping February the 10th for a retail price of 190 USD, which is around like what, 270 Australian dollars, 280. But obviously you probably will not get them for that price. They will get taken over by bots. They will get taken over by all of these people. The chance of you copying for retail is very slim, but still a chance. Though for the ways to get the sneaker, there's not really that many sources and not that many places and retail stores that you can buy from. But one place I do know of is Trophy Room. Obviously, they will be having a raffle, online raffle, on the 10th of February or whatever date. I'll have the Facebook post up here. Apparently, judging by the comments, they're only going to be raffling like 50 or so pairs, and that's pretty big considering that there's over 12,000 pairs on, you know, that will be produced, and it will be numbered on the tongue of the Air Jordan 1, which is again amazing just because it shows just how limited it is. But back to my previous point, I've seen a ton of people cook out on these releases and gets like 50 to 100 pairs, which is mind-blowing. I still don't know how these things are possible, but it does seem like there's a crazy amount of pairs on the market. So there's some people speculating that the 12,000 pair, like, you know, numbered limited quantity is not going to be true. Maybe there's more than 12,000 pairs out there. So there's something to consider. If you and your homies rock the same number on your pairs of shoes, that's going to be pretty funny. That's going to be confirmation that there were more than 12,000 pairs. That's pretty much the backstory and all the information out of the way that you need to know about these sneakers. So let's talk about resale price. You know, the thing that 90% of you guys are here for. If we pull up on StockX, you know, obviously pairs are unreleased right now, but there's actually quite a few pairs on the market right now selling as unreleased or pre-released pairs. Right now they're going for around 3,500 Australian dollars to some pairs going for like 4,000 Australian dollars, which is absolutely insane. I don't even think that prices are going to drop much for the sneaker. I think they're going to maintain the price even after the release, which is crazy because usually a lot of sneakers drop in value heavily after after the drop, but I don't really see that happening. I see them maintaining a price of around 2,500 to 3,000 Australian dollars, just because the detailing on the shoe is absolutely crazy. Like, you know, they've got even the ticket stub, they're adding that as an added detail on the sneaker. Of course, you got MJ's signature on the heel of the sneaker. Just an amazing sneaker. I do see these becoming a display piece for a lot of sneakerheads' homes. I don't even think that people are gonna rock these. Like, these are something to keep in a glass shelf and, you know, have there and admire it, because I know I'm all about wearing your sneakers, but this is an amazing display piece. You know, you got MJ's signature on there, you got the ticket stub that came with the All-Stars match. Obviously it's a replica and a remake, it's not the real ticket stub from 1985, but nevertheless, man, this is such an amazing sneaker. I do think that there's a long-term investment potential. You know, if you want to pick up the pairs, if you have the capital, don't go dropping all of your capital on this sneaker. There's definitely there's definitely better places to put your money, you know, with such a high you know, capital investment. But nevertheless, it is an amazing investment. I do see them, you know, going for around 3,000 to 4,000 to even 5,000 in the coming years. It's just an amazing sneaker, definitely a collector's dream. Good luck to anybody that wants to cop. I'll leave the links to the raffle down in the description below. And as for sizes, what to pick up, I do think more of the larger sizes will do well, like from sizes 9 to around 12 or 13, just because these appeal more to the male demographic, you know, the people that were there in the 1985 All-Stars game and that has been a lifetime fan of Michael Jordan. I see them going the extra mile to pick up these sneakers. So more of the larger sizes, obviously the base sizes will do well, but I think the larger sizes are where it's at. You'll definitely won't have any problems making a sale over there. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Hope you all enjoyed and learned something new. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment down below what you guys think about the sneaker, and do you think that there is only 12,000 pairs, or did Trophy Room and Jordan Brand make more pairs? Let me know, would love to hear your thoughts. But yeah, with all that being said, I'll catch you guys in another video. Take care, peace.